Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Battleford, local and long-distance movers near me. Are you seeking a cheap North Battleford moving company for your local or long-distance move? 3 Movers is the right option to help you move across the country or down the road. Our team will make it easier to move, whether you're moving your home or your business. We know how to streamline the process and make it simple for you. Make your long-distance move easier with the help of our additional options, such as packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When relocating is necessary, it can get stressful quickly. We offer all the right options to make sure you get there on time and fast. Our team offers plenty of options for your local or long-distance move, and we can make it super easy for you. A Canada moving company can help make your local move super easy. With the right movers, you get the help you need with all the hard work. If you're trying to move locally, why not hire help? 3 Movers offers the right options to make moving super simple. We know how to streamline the process and get you settled in sooner and easier. Our team can handle a larger move in just one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our North Battleford moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.